I need your advice on how to fix a mobile home furnace.
I'm assuming you paid your gas bill or have a full propane tank.
I have fuel.
Check the air vents. Whether it is kinked or blocked, I don't know, but I know either one can prevent hot air from getting distributed through the house.
I do not think that's it, and this isn't simply a matter of poor insulation in the mobile home.
Is the blower running? If the furnace is on but there's no heat in the rest of the home, that's a likely cause.
That cause would be obvious by the silence.
Does the furnace have power? Even a gas furnace needs electricity for ignition and the control board.
Yes, the power is on in the mobile home.
Check the breakers or fuses. If those shut down power to the unit, you won't have heat.
I know that's not it because the furnace is blinking lights at me.
You may need to break out the manual and see if those blinking lights are actually in error code. If they are all red, though, you know it has problems.
I already have a problem, no heat.
If the furnace has been cycling or shutting down, you may need to hit reset to get it to go again.
It has been turning on and off.
Sometimes the furnace cycles on and off because the thermostat has too fine a temperature control, so you need to increase the tolerance of the anticipator.
Where is that?
It is inside the thermostat, usually next to the temperature controls. That's what says let the temperature drop a fraction of a degree or a couple of degrees before turning the furnace back on.
Okay, and if that's 1/10 of a degree, the furnace will keep coming on before shutting down.
You could see if the problem is the anticipator or something else by cranking up the thermostat a couple degrees.
The furnace should run for an hour or more if I do that.
If the unit runs just 5 minutes after that and shuts down, you know the issue is more likely overheating or bad airflow.
Bad airflow I can correct by changing out the filter.
It could be a bad pressure switch too, or control panel problem. Then again, you could have a bad flame sensor that does not realize the flame is on and shutting down the unit right after you start it.
I'm starting to realize I may need a professional in here to figure out all the things that could be causing this.